One fine morning, Thomas was chugging along when crack. I can't wait to see who the visitor is.
A few moments later.
Hey, it's me, the visitor. Why the fuck do you look so ugly? Why the fuck are you weird? That's a really... What the fuck? Cranky, we need to stop. Look at the current state of my body right now.
I don't care.
Oh.
You see, Spamface, isn't it nice to just chill out on a viaduct from time to time again?
No.
Man, I hate having cancer.
Want a break from the ads?
What the fuck? Alright, who is pulling the... You have no idea what's going on right now. You called?
No! Okay.
How are you still alive? Cause I'm Thomas the freaking Tankin! What? Oh shit. My one weakness. Underpassages.